Hey, we're here at the 2013 Miami Boat Show. We're right here in the Evinrude booth. There's all kinds of new product, and there's more horsepower here than I care to count. We've got the brand new Evinrude E-Tech Optimus 360 joystick, a killer tool. Hey, we've got my boat right here in the booth. For even more coverage on fishing and boating throughout the year, make sure you visit eNation. eNation puts us, the anglers, in touch with you, the viewers. Go eNation.